Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher. This video is for the features and benefits of the Sensor 2 12-inch and 14-inch HEPA upright vacuum. On the handle of the vacuum, you'll notice the cable cleat. This helps to prevent strain on the cord. On the top of a canister, you'll notice a small window which helps to monitor airflow. In the back, you'll see the light gray service touch point, which is the easy spin out to release the cord. Located in the back of the canister, you'll see the crevice tool as well as the upholstery tool. To disconnect the canister from the head, simply depress the light gray service button on the rear left of the canister. To access the bag and the microfilter, depress the yellow daily operator touch point at the top of the canister. To turn the unit off and on, depress the yellow foot pedal on the left side of the head. To remove the bearing block and gain access to the brush strip, depress the light gray service touch point on the head of the vacuum. To manually adjust the brush strip, use your wand to depress the yellow operator touch point on the head of the unit. On the right side of the unit, you'll notice the yellow UL-approved prong to replace the cord. Well, thank you for watching our video on the Sensor 2 upright vacuums, and until next time, keep it clean.